Hey everyone, buckle up because we're about to take a wild ride inside your kidneys and meet the real MVP, the nephron. Each kidney has over 1 million of these microscopic superheroes, and together they keep you alive every single second. Let's dive in. Picture this. Your blood is rolling in hot, loaded with waste from all the protein you ate, extra salts, and whatever else your body doesn't need right now. It slams into the first stop, the glomerulus. Think of the glomerulus as the bouncer at the most exclusive club in town. It's a tight ball of super thin capillaries, and the pressure from your heartbeat forces fluid out of the blood like squeezing a water balloon through a mesh net. Everything small, water, salts, glucose, urea, gets pushed into Bowman's capsule, this little cup that catches the filtrate. But the big stuff, red blood cells, proteins, anything valuable, nah, they're too large to slip through. The bouncer says, you stay in the bloodstream. Boom. First filter done. In a single day, your nephrons push out about 180 liters of this raw filtrate. That's a full hot tub's worth. Crazy, right? Now we're cruising into the proximal convoluted tubule, PCT for short. This twisty section is like the ultimate recycling center. It immediately grabs back almost everything good. 100% of your glucose so you don't lose energy, nearly all amino acids, and about 65–70% of the water and sodium. Active pumps are working overtime, sucking these valuables back into your blood like vacuums. If this step didn't happen, you'd literally pee out all your sugar and dehydrate in hours. Next, we drop into the loop of Henle, the genius move that makes humans so good at conserving water. It's a long U-shaped tube that dips deep into the kidney and comes back up. Here's the trick. The descending part lets water flow out passively into the salty surroundings, while the ascending part pumps salt out without letting water follow. This creates a super concentrated zone deep in the kidney, like building a salt trap. That gradient is the secret sauce that lets us pull even more water back later. Camels and desert animals take this to the extreme, but we've got the same hack. We climb into the distal convoluted tubule, the fine-tuning station. Hormones roll in like directors on set. Aldosterone shows up and says, hold on to more sodium, dump some potassium. That helps control your blood pressure. If your blood volume's low, the system senses it and makes everything tighter. Finally, we hit the collecting duct, the last checkpoint. This is where antidiuretic hormone, ADH, steals the show. If you're hydrated, ADH is chilling. No extra water gets reabsorbed, pee stays dilute and light. But if you're dehydrated, haven't drunk water, or had too much caffeine, ADH slams the doors open, channels pop into the duct walls, and water rushes back into your blood. Your pee turns dark and concentrated, saving every drop possible. By the end of this journey, out of those 180 liters of filtrate, only about 1 to 2 liters become actual urine. The rest, beautifully recycled. Your nephrons just cleaned your entire blood volume dozens of times today, balanced your electrolytes, kept your blood pressure steady, and prevented you from drying out, all without you even noticing. So next time you take a sip of water, thank your nephrons. They're tiny, they're relentless, and they've got your back 24/7. Stay hydrated, eat clean, and give these million little legends the respect they deserve. Catch you in the next one.